The AMEX Business Platinum Card is getting a major refresh in 2019. Some people might consider these changes positive, but I personally think they're mostly useless. It seems like the people at American Express have been very busy lately. They're going through their entire lineup of cards and refreshing them. We got a refresh of the AMEX Platinum recently when they added the $200 Uber credit and the $100 at Saks. And by the way, I just bought a $50 gift card from the store on 5th Avenue in New York 2 nights ago, so I'll report back in a couple of days when I get the credit. By the time you see this video, I would have probably already put a screenshot of the statement in my community tab, which I got for reaching 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for that. Anyway, let's get back on track. So yeah, American Express also refreshed the Amex Gold, both the personal and business versions of it. And not long ago, they also refreshed the Amex Business Blue Card. My focus for this video, though, is the Amex Business Platinum Card and all the changes that are coming to it in 2019. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Point Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in travel hacking and award travel, then smash the like button and please consider subscribing. I'll also share a lot of trip reports and reviews of first and business class flights from around the world, as well as some travel vlogs. You can also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. Now, before getting into the Amex Business Platinum Card's major changes coming in 2019, let me give you a quick review of the current benefits that will also stay intact after the refresh, since I don't already have a video reviewing the Business Platinum. First of all, the card has a $450 annual fee, which is very reasonable for the amount of benefits you can get out of it. That's changing soon, but we'll get into that later. The welcome bonus on this card comes in a tier structure where you earn 50,000 membership rewards points after spending $10,000 and an extra 25,000 points after you spend an additional $10,000, all on qualifying purchases within your first 3 months of card membership. So if you spend $10,000 in the first 3 months, you get 50,000 points, but if you spend $20,000 also within 3 months, you get 75,000 points. At a value of 2 cents per point, the sign-up bonus is easily worth $1,500. In terms of earning points on spending, the Amex Business Platinum lets you earn 5 times points on flights and prepaid hotels booked through AmexTravel.com. This is a little different from the Personal Platinum Card, where the Personal Platinum lets you earn 5 times points on flights booked directly with the airline. Another thing that's different from the Personal Platinum is that the Amex Business Platinum gives you a 50% more points on purchases of $5,000 or more. That 50% bonus is capped at 1 million points. As far as redeeming points, transferring points to American Express transfer partners like Delta, British Airways, Aeroplan, and others can present the best deal in terms of value, but a unique benefit of having the Business Platinum Card is when you book flights using points through Amex Travel on your pre-selected airline in any class, or business and first class on any airline, you get 35% of those points back, giving you a value of 1.54 cents per point. I find this very useful, and that's the main reason I've kept the card for the last 2 years. A good example of how this is beneficial is using it to buy JetBlue Mint flights between JFK and LAX, which you can easily find for around $1,200 or even less. This means I can use 120,000 Amex points for a round-trip flight in Mint class, and with the 35% rebate, I'll get 42,000 points back, making the total price only 78,000 Amex points. The cool thing is that you can also pay some cash if you want to use less points. Another unique benefit to the Amex Business Platinum Card is the 10 free GoGo Wi-Fi passes you get every year. This works on single flight segment basis, and it doesn't matter how long the flight is. Whatever passes you don't use at the end of the year, you lose, and then you get 10 new ones the following year. You have to activate your passes at gogoair.com/Amex. Next, just like the personal Amex Platinum Card, the Business Platinum offers the best lounge access benefits out there. You get access to the Centurion lounges, which are some of the best lounges in the US, And also American Express has been expanding and upgrading some of their existing lounges as well as opening some new ones. I'm especially excited for the JFK lounge that's opening in Terminal 4 early 2019. They also have new ones opening in LAX and Denver airports, and I believe also Charlotte Airport, which was just announced very recently. You also get access to Delta Sky Clubs whenever you're flying Delta, and a Priority Pass Select membership that gives you access to over 1,000 lounges around the world. The Amex Business Platinum Card offers a $200 airline credit that works the same way like the Personal Platinum, where you can choose Delta as your preferred airline and buy 4 $50 gift cards, or you can choose American Airlines and buy 2 $100 gift cards to trigger that credit. As an Amex Business Platinum card holder, you'll receive a credit to cover either your TSA PreCheck or Global Entry application fees of up to $100. I always recommend going for Global Entry because it gives you TSA PreCheck anyways. The Amex Business Platinum also gives you Gold Elite status with SPG and Hilton Hotels, and you also get Elite status with car rental companies like Avis, Hertz, and National. And the card has no foreign transaction fees. Now let's talk about the changes coming in 2019 for the Amex Business Platinum Card. First of all, the annual fee is going up from $450 to $595. That's an increase of $145 or 30%. Starting in February 2019, the Business Platinum Card members will get information about Platinum Global Access from WeWork. Card members will have complimentary access to WeWork's global network of 335 workspaces in 83 cities and 24 countries. American Express values this at $2,700. If you don't know what WeWork is, it's pretty much a shared space in different locations around the world where you can do work if you work for yourself. They have Wi-Fi, pantries, dedicated on-site staff, free coffee, free beer, and a lot more. Now this is a very specific benefit that only very few people will take advantage of. For me, this is useless. The next enhancement to the card is adding the Shop Dell with Business Platinum. Now this benefit provides Business Platinum Card members with up to $200 in statement credits annually for purchases made directly at Dell. Card members will receive more information about this benefit and how to enroll in the new Shop Dell with Business Platinum benefit in February 2019. I mean, when was the last time you bought something from Dell? For me, it has to be somewhere between 2002 to 2005 or something like that. Again, a pretty useless benefit. But we'll have to wait and see if there will be some creative ways to maximize this benefit. Finally, the hotel credit for hotel collection stays will be increasing from $75 to $100. Another useless benefit, since I personally never use hotel collection. I generally book my hotels with points with SPG, Hilton, IHG, or Hyatt, and sometimes paid hotel stays through Expedia or something like that. So to conclude, if you use WeWork, this could be a great benefit to you, but my understanding is this Platinum Global Access is only for 1 year, so it's more of a promo than a perk, unless they have some discounted rate going forward. So you have to evaluate that based on your situation. The $200 with Dell is good if you use them already and can upgrade your computers or buy a monitor or something, but I have to wait and see if gift cards will work so I can maybe buy something useful every few years and sell it on eBay. In my opinion, these are all negative changes. Will I cancel the card? No, at least not yet. Maybe next November when my annual fee hits. I really enjoyed the 35% rebate on flights purchased with points, and I also use the free GoGo Wi-Fi passes all the time. Let me know in the comments what you make of these changes to the Amex Business Platinum and if it will affect whether or not you will have the card. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe and hit the bell button, because every week I'm publishing videos that help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.